welcome back to my channel. Today all about foam rolling. So what is foam rolling? Why do we need it? We need it because on top of our muscles we have this fascia that basically connects the muscles and all the tissues and organs, and it's very important to keep it healthy in order, to be the happiest, healthiest version of ourselves, feel great. And foam rolling also helps with, improved flexibility, improving the range of motions, preventing injuries. So it is great to do it 3 to 5 times per week, ideally, before, after workout. And there are different ways that I will show you in this video. Important to be consistent more than anything, and important to know that even if it's painful maybe a little bit at the beginning, it is good pain. It actually helps with any other type of pains. So let's go. Important as well to start from the ground up. So if we do a full body foam rolling, we start with the calves muscles. So with the calves muscles, we roll forward and back. And also another thing that we can do, once we find a spot that we really want to focus on, we just wave. So we do a movement side by side, we wave with our feet. And another way that we can use the foam roller is to roll and then stretch, really stretch the part that we want to focus on. Very important to, foam roll the area that we are doing, at least for like 30 seconds, 1 minute preferably. I like to do even the inner part of the calves. And the outer part. You can use different type of foam rollers depending on the pressure that you prefer. Moving up towards the hamstrings. I usually do like, let's say 10 to 20 times rolling. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I press it here and just move side to side. I think it's great also for an anti-cellulite massage basically. And then from here, really stretching, staying here and stretching the hamstrings. Moving further towards the glutes area. Again, 10 times, rolling forward and back. Of course, the glutes and the hamstrings are connected. So we go a little bit into the hamstrings area when we foam roll the glutes. We can go also on the side to side. And you will see in time which parts are the ones that you feel like, okay, this hurts more when I use the foam roller. Those are basically your trigger points. And you'll just have to do them more often in order to relax and then release the tension in that part of the body. Moving towards the upper legs in the front, the quads. I love this one too. 2, 3, feels really good on the quads, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and even just moving side to side in the parts that feel that hurt more. And then here, really stretching the quad while we apply pressure also with the foam roller. And now, moving on the side of the legs, the IT bend, which is the one that a lot of times is most painful for a lot of us, because we don't really have any way to stretch, this side. So it's very tight usually. So we bring the side of the thigh here, we put the other leg on top for support on the mat, and we roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and going side to side. It hurts, but it's like a good type of pain that you know that you're doing actually something great for your body. This is also great anti-cellulite, and as I said as well before, you can choose different type of foam rollers that will help you do, a softer or harder massage. Great. So moving on the other side, placing the foam roller, the leg on the side, putting the other leg on top with the foot down on the mat for balance, and just rolling forward and back, really massaging and going into the deep tissues and bringing more blood flow to help the body work at its best. The workouts are great, and also stretching, recovery, and foam rolling, and of course rest are very, very important for our overall health and longevity. Also side by side. And now moving up towards the back. Laying down on the foam roller and rolling all the way. 1. I like also to bring the arms and to use the breathing, very important. 10 times. 3. Inhale here. Exhale when you roll. 4. You can even make circles if you want with the arms. So like this. 3. 1 more. 4. We go higher a little bit towards the neck and upper back. 2. Okay, let's readjust. 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, 4 more, well actually, so now 3, 8, whew, the last 2, 9, 1 more, and 10, and then keeping the foam roller here and just really stretching all the way. Breathing, really relaxing the back, shoulders. Slowly lifting up halfway and moving towards the legs. So from here, legs. Looks a little weird, I know, but it is very efficient. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And it's good also to stretch this here. And since we're on this side, we can also stretch the triceps. 1, 2, 3, foam roll triceps. 4, we're foam rolling now, we're not actually stretching. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we turn on the other side for the side of the back, trapezius muscles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 1 more, 10, and also the triceps. 1, 2, you have to figure out what feels better for you, which side to start with. 3, which side, I mean if you want to start from further and lower like this, or the other way around. 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. Very good. And that's kind of it. We just stretch in child's pose. We can bring the arms one side and the other. 2 cat and cow stretches. And coming back to the center of the mat, inhaling, lifting up, rolling the shoulders. And we really did a great job foam rolling the whole body. Important to do this 3 to 5 times per week to get best results. And even though maybe, you know, at the beginning will feel a little weird, by practicing a lot, you will, you know, find the way how to use the foam roller in the best and most efficient and appropriate way for you. Share, like, subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy my content, thank you for joining me, thank you for watching, and see you soon with other amazing videos. Great vibes and good energy. Bye.